Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make tea scones. If you are new here, do not touch that dial and do not forget to like and subscribe. And as for my returning subscribers, karibuni sana na asanteni sana for always having my back. Please, to all my viewers, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. All the ingredients will be listed down on the description box below. So we are going to go straight away by taking our flour, baking flour, and adding a little bit of baking soda and salt. I will mix them. Then I will sieve. Literally, I'll sieve these dry ingredients using my sieve so as to get a finer flour, and if there are any huge particles that are there, I will have to eliminate them. Then I will add my butter. But first of all, let us see the outcome of the sieved flour. After adding the butter, I'll be mixing the two using a spoon. Then later on add my sugar, and now use my hands to mix the mixture to attain a sand-like texture or a sand-like sort of mixture. So that means I need to ensure that all these ingredients are mixed up well for me to attain the sand-like texture I'm talking about. Once I have attained the sand-like texture, I will go ahead by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. After I have cracked the 2 eggs, I will be adding in the vanilla essence and mix the two together, and later add my 3/4 cup of milk, fresh milk, into the mixture. And then I will now be adding this mixture that I have made on the side onto my sand-like flour or sand-like mixture, and knead it to a smooth dough. All these ingredients need to combine for me to attain the smooth dough that I'm talking about. You can also have the option of kneading it on your surface. It's what works best for you is what you'll use. Once you have gotten a smooth dough like I have, take your dough and place it on a basin and let it rest for about 10 minutes. As the dough is resting, you can be greasing your oven your oven tray. So I used butter, but there are other options like cooking oil and blue band. So once I'm done greasing, I will take the flour that was resting and not grease my surface, but powder my surface, or rather add flour onto the surface and knead it for less than a minute, so that if there was any air, it can escape and it can give a good how do we call it, a good dough, like a good dough for the cookies. So later on, after the kneading is done, ensure that you have used your rolling pin to spread the dough. Ensure that it's not that thick and it's not that thin. It's in between. And you can now go ahead using your cutter to shape it to the desired shape. So I tried using a glass container, but well, it never served me right. So I decided to go to the one and not to the one and only, to the easiest option, using a tumbler to do the cutting. And voila, it served me right.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down?
As you have finished cutting your dough, you can start placing them on the oven tray. You can arrange them however you like. And please note, in this dough there's nothing called a waste. So the trimmings that have remained, take that dough, knead it again, and repeat the same process for you to get more tea scones. I forgot to mention, as I was greasing my oven tray, I was preheating my oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. So now, once I'm done, I will take an egg, break it into a bowl and add a little bit of milk and mix the two so that I can egg wash my tea scones. The importance of this last process is to ensure that I attain a golden brown color after I have baked the tea scones. So do not touch that dial and wait and see the final product. I will be baking my tea scones at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Just have a look at how my tea scones have turned out to be golden brown. I mean, I just love the colors. Anyway, you're wondering what you can serve these tea scones with. You can serve it with tea, juice, and any beverage of your choice. How long how long is their shelf span? A maximum of 3 days, while you have stored them on an airtight container. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love you guys. Bye. I enjoyed mine with a peanut butter. That means you can use a dip of your choice.